Hello students, today we are going to start the optics section of the syllabus, and today we are going to start the ray optics. As per the reduced syllabus, the part of mirror is not here, so we will start with the refraction through prism. Now prism is a homogeneous transparent medium made up of glass mainly, bounded by two plane surfaces inclined each other at an angle. Okay, so this is the prism, and whenever we are drawing, this is the surface where the ray enters, and this is the surface through which ray comes out. So whenever we are drawing the figure of the prism refraction, we draw this cross section. We only draw this cross section. As you can see, this figure shows the refraction of prism. Let us try to understand. This is the incident ray. The incident ray reaches the point Q, it bends from the point Q, and this is the refracted ray, and this is the emergent ray. So that is why here we are drawing a normal. So that is why this is what? The angle of incidence, and this is the angle of emergence, I dash. And this angle is called the angle of deviation. That is the angle between the direction of incident ray produced forward and direction of emergent ray produced backward. So this measures the degree of deviation. How much is the angle of deviation? That we can get it from here. Now, what are the formula? What is del? Angle of deviation. So del is equal to I plus I dash minus R plus R dash. I plus I dash minus R plus R dash. Okay, now A plus E is equal to 180 degree. Okay, because see, this is 90 degree, this part is 90 degree, because this is normal, this is 90 degree. So if we consider this quadrilateral AQER, so 90 plus 90, 180. So this means what? These two angles sum will be 180, because sum of four angle is always 360. So these two are 90. It means these two will be, the sum will be what? 180. So A plus E 180. And what is A? You can see A R plus R dash. So minus, so what is A? E is what? 180 minus R plus R dash. So 180 minus R plus R dash is equal to this. So from here we can say that R plus R dash is equal to A. And del is what? So this, if you put here R plus R dash equal to A, then the formula of del will be shortened. It will become I plus I dash minus A. Okay. Now, what is angle of deviation? Now we know that angle of deviation depends upon the angle of incidence. Now this graph shows us the relation of angle of deviation and angle of incidence. If the angle of deviation is greater, now we can see when we are increasing the angle of incidence, we are going on increasing the angle of incidence, and what we observe, that angle of deviation is first decreasing. It is reaching a minimum value, which is called minimum angle of deviation, or you can say angle of minimum deviation. And after reaching that, still we are increasing the angle of incidence, and after reaching the minimum value, the angle of deviation will again start increase. So on increasing the I, the del will first decrease, reach a minimum point, and after reaching that minimum point, it will again start to increase. So this minimum point is called the angle of minimum deviation. At this point, when the prism is undergoing, suppose this prism is undergoing angle of minimum deviation, then what are the things that we observe? Please note it down. I equal to I dash. First thing that we will note is I equal to I dash. R is equal to R dash, and this line will be parallel to the base. So if suppose I equal to I dash, means then what will be the value of A? A is what? So A will be what? So A will be 2R plus A. So del M will be 2I minus A. Okay. So R will be A by 2. So here del m will be 2i minus a, I will be a plus del m by 2 and r will be a by 2. So we know that refractive index is equal to sin I by sin r. So in place of I you put this, in place of r you put this, you will get the formula. N is equal to a plus del m by 2 by sin I by 2. Very important formula for refractive index of a prism. Now deviation produced by a thin prism. What is the deviation produced? So see, if in case of thin prism, the angle of deviation is less than 5 degree, then sin theta is equal to theta. So sin a by 2 equal to a by 2, then we are going to this formula. Del m is equal to n minus 1 a. Okay, so del m, angle of minimum deviation is equal to n, refractive index of the prism minus 1 into angle of prism. Okay students, so this is all about the chapter refraction of prism, and we will start the lens in the next class. Till then, have a nice day.